Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V50 coming part exchange. It's a very high spec car. It's in a lovely condition. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. Lovely alloy wheels, gleaming black exterior, great conditions for its age and mileage. As you can see, boot area is in lovely condition. We've got the rear parcel shelf. Comes with full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, lovely leather interior. Automatic headlights. It's done 101,323 miles. It's got cruise control. It's got factory satellite navigation that pops up there. Got a remote control for it as well. Air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox. DJ's with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.